the screen. Of course, it's all make-believe pretend. Let's see. That's okay. It's California. We do get quakes from time to time. Nothing to worry about. It looks like this is the big one, folks. Everybody hold on.
Oh, my foot, my feet.
You're all wet?
Yeah.
You just survived Earthquake, the big one. I think that deserves another round of applause for you guys. Good job. We're just encountering all the obstacles today. We're pushing through and we're having such a good time today. So, as we are heading out of what we call Earthquake,